Hello and welcome to our new video from Himal Courier. Today we will talk about dangerous goods training in the UK. Various UK training institutes are available for booking. The main purpose of this video is to give you training information. So let's begin the video now. First, let's talk about the benefits of such training. Transporting dangerous goods can be made easier with multimodal solutions. You can learn in public, in the company, or even online. A professional training team with extensive industry experience delivers the training, so no worries about the skills you will acquire. You can get custom training to fit your company's needs. It is important to comply with regulations surrounding each transport mode when transporting dangerous goods. Register for training courses to stay updated, demonstrate compliance, and ensure all shipments are handled safely. Now let's talk about the courses. Dangerous goods can be transported by air, road, and sea. This 5-day course has 3 days dangerous goods by air, 1 day dangerous goods by road, and 1 day dangerous goods by sea. Students taking all 5 days get a price break on the system compared to taking the individual courses. Now I will explain about the individual topics briefly to give you some idea. First course is Carriage of dangerous goods by air. It's for people who handle dangerous goods by air like shipping, packing, documenting, moving, and handling. Attendees get CCA approved training and certification because it's approved by the Civil Aviation Authority. Second course is Shipping of dangerous goods by road. The employees who ship dangerous goods by road must receive regular training according to their roles. Also, as part of TFT and HSE regulations, staff involved in packing, documentation, handling, loading, unloading, and shipping dangerous goods must know specific UK regulations. You will learn about all of them here. Finally, the last course is Shipping of dangerous goods by sea. Under the International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code, all shoreside personnel transporting dangerous goods by sea must get training. Also, the course explains how sea regulations relate to European road regulations, which are essential for exporting to Europe. Now, there are some more topics to be covered here. One is air cargo security courses. To DFT level CASP, CO, COS, CS, CM, and KC. Training will be required for everyone who has unescorted access to secure air cargo. The different types of drivers fall into 3 categories: those working for regulated cargo agents, those working for non-consignors, and those working for haulier declarations. Second is aviation security training. Airport managers and airline operators can get ground security operative and supervisor training as part of the UK National Aviation Security Program. A compulsory aircrew security course is also required for UK registered aircraft. Third and the last point is dangerous goods safety advisor. Every company that transports, loads, or unloads dangerous goods by road has to hire a dangerous goods safety advisor, also known as DGSA. Any company that transports dangerous goods over the limited quantity exemptions has to comply with this law. I hope you are clear about dangerous goods training. You can contact us through website or social media to know more about it. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. Please do subscribe our channel and don't forget to like and comment on our video.